Okay everybody, we're changing the headlight on the GMC Acadia 2011 once again. I have an OSRAM, whatever, originally made in Germany, supposedly long life. H11 is the secret. And the Acadia bulbs burn out all the honking time. Anyway, you need a T20 tool, a rubber glove. You go in underneath the fender well, take the dust cover off, disconnect the light, don't touch the new light with your oily fingers, use the glove, reconnect it, put the dust cover back on, put the window well cover back in, wheel well cover back on, you're done. So everybody who hates long videos, you're done. Save yourself $300. Everybody else, stick around, I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so I turn the wheel this way. You can take the wheel off, you can turn the wheel the other way, you can do it any way you want, you can jack the car up. I don't know, I don't care. This gives me enough room. T20, remove this one, and that one. Reach inside. Keep calling it the wheel well, it's the fender well, but T20, these will be off in just a second. Okay, now those are off. I'm going to reach in here. I am replacing the driving light, the one that's on all the time. There's a dust cover, it's a quarter turn counterclockwise, and then you reach up in here inside the hole. There's also the quarter turn counterclockwise, and the burned bulb comes out and it's connected to a wire. So I need to reach up with both hands and push the clip, and on the part that goes on this, you push it in, pull this out. So now to put the new one on, it's going to go in that kind of orientation. I'm just going to clip it on. OSRAM 64211 L+, which means long life, DOT. E1, they're made in Germany. They're both OSRAM, even though this one was a Sylvania when I bought it at the store called Auto Something. So it went in like that, and I clicked it on, and then I rotated it, and it was in the orientation of about like that, and it went in the hole, and then it clicked that far, and that was it. And I kind of had my eyes closed, and I was just kind of feeling it, and because I've done this a number of times, the trick is to close your eyes and kind of just think about it. Kind of pretend like you're blind and your fingers will let you do it. So there we go. I'm going to put these back on, test it. Well, test it first. Put these back on and we're done. So thanks for watching. I know I've done this video 6 times already. Got 1 million views on it. Go watch that other video. Watch this one. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Call GM and tell them it's a great design.